Hello and welcome to the chaos. Today we are doing the Mandalorian layover on the Millennium Falcon. This is the second time we've had an opportunity to do it. I like to experience it by myself before I jump on it and film it. Imagine that, I know. So we've got an opinion about it. Love to know yours after you watch it. Have you had the chance yet to ride this? If you did, leave a comment down below and let us know what you think. But come along, check it out. Let us know what you think.
Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. What luck! The Millennium Falcon, the fastest ship in the galaxy. Speed means profit. Chewbacca, my fine, buddy friend. Yes, as we discussed. You can leave the ship here. The spaceport has plenty of room. Especially for the Falcon. What? No, it is perfectly safe. Okay, time to go, so I found you the perfect ship. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go.
Welcome aboard the Falcon. We're going to make a U-turn. We're going to come right over here and Cameron.
All right. Hi, right column. You push forward to go. Keep on.
Listen up, crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. See you in the cockpit. Well, be in the cockpit, of course. You're still here. Go.
Seatbelts on, let's go.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Bags flat on the ground, seatbelts go from the outside towards the middle.
Not enough. Time is money. Okay, my friends, I made a deal with the New Republic. In exchange for the location of these bounties, I can sell any cargo you find from dead ships. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace.
sons. Let's see what it can do. No engineers. Guess I'll get it in crates. Take out those scouts. Good work, others. Practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Take the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching home begins now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Coruscant. Good choice, kid. Make the jump to light speed. There's our bounty. Switching to ion cannons. We'll rendezvous on the other side. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no, enemy ship's incoming. Breaking the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. New Republic excellence. Look out. Hit the boosters. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your friends.
Welcome back. Get the crates.
We're a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
Thank you.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee season.
All right. As a 10-year-old, Harlow, what do you think of the new Mandalorian version?
I think it was really good, and I like that you could see, like, on the panels what was happening, kind of.
Yeah.
You could see Grogu. I didn't get to see all of it because I had the pseudo wall, but I got $4,000.
$4,000.
$4,000.
Man.
Credits, fine, whatever.
What'd you think, buddy? You got to fly again.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
I think it's great. I think it's a lot more user-friendly. If that's the word. Yeah, it's user-friendly. If you're not like a video game person and you just like don't understand, it's so much easier to comprehend what's happening and like where you're supposed to be shifting if you're the pilot or whatever. It's not so chaotic. You can actually understand the ride. I'm not a huge fan of the original. I go on it with the family, but it's like it feels a little crazy to me.
The original one.
Yeah, the original one, and but that I really enjoy. I like it a lot.